Little Kitten barely passes his school test and takes a bike to head home. Meanwhile, his father returns from work in the fields and they both sit down to eat. Little Kitten asks his father for money, but his father tells him he doesn't have any. Little Kitten gets angry and insults his father, then quickly leaves for school. His father calls out to him to take some food and walks with him to the school gate. The other kids at school laugh at Little Kitten's father, who calls out to Little Kitten. Little Kitten gets even angrier and throws a stone at his father, who becomes sad. 10 years later, Little Kitten graduates and his father waits for him at the gate with a smile. However, Little Kitten has become a drunkard and gets into an accident while driving under the influence, hitting a woman. The police arrest Little Kitten and put him in jail. His father